In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to log out of your Genshin Impact account on PS4. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. But now, if you go to the official Genshin Impact website at genshin.hyoverse.com, you can log into your account to access the account settings. After you log into your account at the official Genshin Impact miHoYo website, you can go into the Account Management tab and access the account security settings. If you have a PS4 account, as you can see, I don't have one linked to this account, but yours should display PSN linked. Sadly, there is no direct way of logging out of Genshin Impact on PS4 and PS5. What you have to do is send an email to the miHoYo support in order to have your PSN account unlinked from your Genshin Impact account. If you go into your account security settings and you have a PSN account linked, what you have to do is write an email to genshincs@mihoyo.com and send them the request to unlink your PS4 account. So, to unlink your account, you have to email the miHoYo support at genshin_cs@mihoyo.com as a recipient, and you should inform it as a PSN account unlink request as the mail's subject. Specify that you want your PSN account unlinked and inform them of all the details. They're going to contact you again with a form you have to fill, and after a while the process should be complete and your PSN account should be unlinked. Please note that there is no direct way to unlink it from the account management settings window. I hope I was able to help you on how to unlink your Genshin Impact account on PS4. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.